Welcome to the course. In the last lecture, we covered on what is Oracle Apex structure, and we got to know about a brief idea on the administration part and how a workspace design is done. So we will now set up the environment part, that is creating the workspace. So I'm jumping to google.com and I will search for Oracle Apex now. So you can see apex.oracle.com. So let's get started for free, and you can see some introduction here. And I will request a free workspace. It's opening a new tab. I'll fill out the details of my end. So it's confirming me. So I gave all the details and my workspace AWS. Okay, so you'll receive an email in your workspace to get activated. Once you receive it, just confirm it with the link and sign in with the credentials. After clicking on the confirmation link, you'll be redirected to a page where it's showing that workspace successfully created. So I'll continue to sign in screen and I'll fill out the credentials. AWS. So I have filled the credentials and let me sign into the workspace. Okay, so this is the Oracle Apex dashboard page. You can see all the icons: App Builder, SQL Workshop, Team Development, and App Gallery. So let's get into the detailed part in the next lecture.